Giving you an update on Wish. Stay tuned, you really don't want to miss this one. Guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing the company Wish and giving you an update on where we stand today, July the 7th to Wednesday, July the 7th, where we stand today and what we can look forward to with the stock, certain support levels that we're looking at, and just important information. Okay, before we get to that, just wanted to give you a small update on Dkng, ticker symbol Dkng, DraftKings. Today there was a report right after close that they were being sued by the company Game, ticker symbol GAME. This might serve as a buying opportunity for Dkng, just giving you that information in case you guys are invested. We're invested in the company Dkng. The last time there was a drop in the stock price, Dkng went all the way down to about $45, which is a strong support, based off a Hindenburg short report. Okay, and from there we had a nice big bounce all the way back up to about 53. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. Look at these opportunities, these downfalls, these lawsuits, these just overreaction sometimes by people or institutions on certain negative things. Okay, and I think this serves as an opportunity for you to be able to pick up more shares. With that, guys, I want to step into Wish. Remember, guys, that if you're not following us, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel right here on YouTube. It's very important you guys like this information if it serves you a purpose. Okay, please like. It just helps the channel out, getting other people to be able to see the same information that you're getting right now. Okay, also, if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us there. We give out constant plays, we give out a lot of information, a lot of updates, stuff that's going around in the news on there at Investing OG. Okay, with that, guys, let me step in right here real quick to Wish. Now, if you were looking at or you were seeing our previous videos on this, you would have saw that I went through three big supports. Okay, one of them was right here, right around the $13 level. Okay, and I said if we broke that, we would go down to the bottom, the $12 level, $11.90, $12 level. And if we broke that, then we would hit right around the $11 level. Okay, now $11 is very important. And today, I'm just gonna make it easier for you to see. You can see on a daily chart that there was all these touches here, a little bit under 11, sometimes a little bit over. You could see that there's a lot of touches, but there's a big battle right now being fought for the $11 support that we had mentioned previously. Okay, I'm going to tell you why this support. Is so important, because the last time we hit right around this support, this $11 support, was back here, and we had a gap down. Okay, so if we do fail, if the bulls do fail to hold the $11 support, this means that this stock can go, the next support would be right around $10. Okay, around the 990 level, 10 to 990. So we've seen a support at 13, we've seen it right around 12, we're seeing it right now at 11. Next support can be right around 10. Okay, now my plans with this stock is to accumulate 10,000 shares, because I plan to sell covered calls in the future once this company goes back to $20 plus. That's where I think this company can go. Okay, $20 plus. Within the next 5 years, I think this company can hit $100. Okay, so I think you can 5x. Okay, this company right here. So therefore, I'm investing my capital in this company. Now, what happens if Wish breaks this $10 support here, right around here, $10 support? Then the next stop would be right around $9. And if that's broken, then obviously we can head down all the way back down. So I think the 52-week low is like around $780 or so. So I doubt we go below $10, but obviously you want to keep capital just in case, because I put out on Twitter that if this stock goes back below $10 and hits like the low 9s or even $8, I would be planning to double my position. Okay, double my position on this stock. That would make me get about 20,000 shares of Wish. Currently I'm at about 8,000. Okay, I want to get 10,000, but if it continues to drop, I want to keep loading up. Okay, that's just what I'm doing. It's not personal advice, it's not a financial advice, none of that. It's just what I'm doing, what I'm planning to do. With that, guys, if you found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.